Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and are safe at home. In today's video, I'll be creating this Indian ethnic makeup look which is so appropriate for summer. This is so lightweight, and if you are going for an occasion, I think this is perfect for that. So yes, if you are interested, then please keep on watching. First, I'm starting off with a good hyaluronic acid based serum, and it just keeps my skin hydrated and plump throughout the day. Next, I'll be using a good moisturizer on top of it, and I will let it sit on my skin for 2 minutes or so, and then I will move on to the actual makeup. For my primer today, I'll be using a moisturizing primer, and it works as a primer as well as a moisturizer. So this is more of a primerizer to me, and it works great in summer as well as in winter, and especially if you have dry skin, you're gonna love this one. I want my skin to look glowy and dewy, so I'm using this Lakme Lumi cream and I'm applying it all over my skin. This is going to give me a very soft, subtle glow, but I really like that it doesn't look that shimmery or glittery like a liquid highlighter does, so I love using it in summer underneath my base. Next, I'm choosing a concealer which is very close to my skin tone, as I'm not gonna be using any foundation today. And remember, this is a full coverage matte concealer and it's sweat proof and transfer proof. So if you have dry skin, you need to moisturize your under eyes really well before applying it. Otherwise, it works great for oily skin. And as you guys can see, I'm applying the concealer wherever I need it the most. I'm not applying it all over my skin because I want my skin to look very nice and natural. And if you apply too much of concealer, it starts looking cakey, and I don't want that. I want a little more coverage underneath my eyes, that's why I'm choosing a brush to blend my concealer out. And once that is done, I'll use a beauty blender just to blend everything out so that it looks nice and seamless. To set the concealers on place, I'll be using this Nykaa compact powder, and you guys can see how much I have used it up, and I recently started doing this. So I take a small fluffy concentrated brush and I just apply the compact wherever I applied the concealer, and that's how you are setting your concealers on place without making your entire face looking powdery. And for the rest of my face, I'm taking another compact powder, and this is from KIRO. Now this one is a little bit darker than my skin tone, so I don't use it on the center of my face. I use it to set the parameters of my face, and as I'm not using any cream products today, so I'll be using it on the parameters of my face so that my face looks even toned. Next, using a setting spray to lock everything in. For my brows today, I'll be using the NYX micro brow pencil, and this is my all-time favorite brow pencil. This gives you such natural looking brows, and it's so precise and gives you hair-like strokes, so I love using it on everyday basis. To set my brow hairs in place, I'll be using a brow mascara. For me, a brow mascara is a must so that my brow hairs doesn't move or doesn't budge throughout the day. Moving on to the eyes, and recently I discovered these Mars eyeshadow palettes, and oh my god, they are so affordable and so good quality, so today I'll be using it. First, I took a beautiful coral pink shade from this palette and applying it on my crease. Once that is done, I'll be mixing these two shades right here and I'll be applying it on the outer corners of my eyes. Make sure to apply and blend it really well so that everything looks nice, cohesive, seamless and blended. Now taking this beautiful champagne gold shade and applying it on the inner 1/3 portion of my eyelid like a cut crease. Taking the same nude corally pink shade and applying it on the bottom lash line. To finish off the eye look, I'll be using 2 coats of mascara, but before that I will curl my lashes and then I will use the mascara. For the very first time, I'll be using this e.l.f. Monochromatic multi-stick. This is a cream blush. It looks nice on the cheeks but not the biggest fan of it. To give some dimension and warmth back to my face, I'll be using a bronzer today. Here I'm taking the same blush brush and blending the bronzer with the cream blush so that everything looks nice and cohesive. I wanted a little more peach on my cheeks, so I'll be using this KIRO blush and it has this beautiful peachy pink shade that looks so beautiful in summer. To line my lips, I'll be using my all-time favorite lip liner, and I think this is the only lip liner that I use nowadays, and I think it looks perfect on my lips. So if you are looking for a good lip liner, you can try this one. To finish off the makeup look, I'll be using this liquid lip balm from Russ, and nowadays I love using this kind of tinted liquid lip balms or lip glosses that gives you a very nice natural looking plump and hydrated lips, and this particular shade is my current favorite. So yes, that's the completed makeup look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you do, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit on that notification bell so that every single time I upload a video you will get notified. And that's it for today's video. I will see you soon in my next one. Bye.